Please like, subscribe.
Circle. Circle.
A round shape with no corners, like a ball or a pizza.
Square. Square.
A shape with 4 equal sides and 4 corners, like a box.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
A shape with 4 sides and 4 corners, where opposite sides are the same length, like a door.
Triangle. Triangle.
A shape with 3 sides and their corners, like a slice of pizza.
Oval. Oval.
A shape that looks like a stretched out circle, like an egg.
Pentagon. Pentagon.
A shape with 5 sides and 5 corners, like a small house shape.
Hexagon. Hexagon.
A shape with 6 sides and 6 corners, like a honeycomb.
Heptagon. Heptagon.
A shape with 7 sides and 7 corners, like a fancy star.
Octagon. Octagon.
Shape with 8 sides and 8 corners, like a stop sign.
Nonagon. Nonagon.
Shape with 9 sides and 9 corners, like a rare coin.
Decagon. Decagon.
Shape with 10 sides and 10 corners, like a big star.
Parallelogram. Parallelogram.
Shape with opposite sides that are equal and slanted, like a leaning rectangle.
Rhombus. Rhombus.
Shape with 4 equal sides, but it looks slanted, like a diamond.
Trapezoid. Trapezoid.
Shape with 4 sides, where only 2 sides are parallel like a bridge.
Cube. Cube.
A box shape with 6 equal square sides like a dice.
Cuboid. Cuboid.
A box shape with rectangle sides like a break.
Cone. Cone.
A shape that looks like an ice cream cone.
Cylinder. Cylinder.
A shape with 2 flat circles on the top and bottom and a round body like a can.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
A shape with a flat base and triangle sides that meet at a point like a pyramids in Egypt.
Tetrahedron. Tetrahedron.
A pyramid with a triangle base and 3 triangle sides like a fancy toy.
Sphere. Sphere.
A round shape that is like a ball or the earth.
Prism. Prism.
A shape with the same shape on the top and bottom like a long box.
Torus. Torus.
A shape that looks like a donut or a rubber ring.
Hemisphere. Hemisphere.
Half of a sphere like a bowl cut off from a bowl.
Please like, subscribe. Subscribe.